Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to set up a Counter-Strike 2 server using Pterodactyl. It's going to be easy, so let's go. First, we're going to log into our account. Let's go to our panel. This video was possible by Physiora hosting. You can go ahead and host your game server. Now, first of all, we're going to rebuild our VPS. Let's choose Ubuntu, the latest version. We're going to wait 10 seconds. We will receive the password, VPS password, in our email. Let's copy our IP address. Let's open PUT. If you don't have it, you can go ahead to Google and download it. It's necessary to connect to your VPS. Paste your IP address here. Open. Username is root. Always. The password is going to be sent to your email. Now let's change the password. Now let's go ahead and copy the install link. Let's install both. Type 2. Leave it blank. Same. Go ahead and type your own password. Choose the timing zone. Type your email. Username, account, whatever you want. Don't forget it. The name doesn't matter. Last name same. Password, don't forget it. Now type your IP address. Type Y. Do you want to continue? Yes. Do you want to proceed to Wings? Install? Yes. Yes. Firewall? Yes. Yes. Keep it blank. Yes. Username, keep it blank. But don't forget about it. Your database username is Pterodactyl user. Password, don't forget the password for your database. You can make it the same as the first one. Do you want to automatically configure HTTPS? Nope. Proceed? Yes. Now we are set and ready to access our Pterodactyl panel. Go ahead, copy your IP address. Make sure there is no HTTPS text before your IP address, otherwise it won't log in. Now write your username and password. Let's go to admin panel. Let's create a location. Name it whatever you want. Let's go to nodes, create a new one. Let's name it Germany, because my VPS is in Germany, but in reality it doesn't matter. Let's put the IP address again. Use HTTP. Total memory, for me it's 4 GB. Over allocation, make it 0. Disk over allocation, make it 0. Total disk space, you know what to do. For me it's 70 GB. So I think we are ready now. This is the location of your game file, or wherever game you are going to install using Pterodactyl. Create the node. Now let's go to this section. Let's put the IP address again, and we can put here the port that we are going to use for Counter-Strike. It's obviously 27015, but for me I'm going to open 5 ports, so I'm gonna add this and then 27020. This will allow me to open 5 ports, so I can open 5 servers. All you have to do is just change the port. Submit. Go to configuration, generate token, copy, go back to your VPS, and OK. Now you can go ahead and reopen your VPS. Type systemctl start wings, then systemctl status wings, so we can check if it's working. As you can see, it's active. Now we're pretty much done. Just to make sure it's working, go to nodes. It should show this green heart, otherwise it's not working. If it shows a red heart, it means it's not connected. Now we are ready to create our first server. We're going to create Counter-Strike server, so basically we're going to need an egg so we can install a game from it. So let's go to nests, import egg, choose the file. I'm going to give you the link for this file. Choose the group, source engine, import. We are done. Now let's go to servers, create, name it wherever you want, select the owner by email address, IP is ready, location is ready, database limit you can set whatever you want. Don't touch this, don't touch this, don't touch this. You can set this to 0. Disk space set to 02. Now let's select our egg from group source engine, and let's select our game CS2. Set the max player as you want, the map like you want. Token, you don't need it for now, but it's necessary for your server to show in public servers. Game type, you can go for 0, game mode 0 if you want your server to be casual. If competitive, go 0 and 1 for game mode. Meta mode source, set it to 1, and Counter-Strike sharp, set it to 1. This way they are going to download automatically and update. You need this too much if you want to install plugins. Console filter, you're going to use it to filter the console. Custom parameters is your custom parameters that you want to add in the startup launch command. For example, I want to use my own map groups. Auto cleanup, set it to 1. This will clean up the log files. You don't have to touch this. Create your server. Now your server is going to start installing. Just go ahead from this tab, exit the admin control panel, and you can go to Paraserver. As you can see, the install is commencing. Finally, our server is done downloading. As you can see, it's working. We can go ahead to our console and change the map if we want. It's changing. Now we can check for how many plugins we have, because we already installed Counter-Strike Sharp. By default, it will update every time you have a new update, so you don't need to do it manually. As you can see, we have 0 plugins listed because our server is new and we didn't upload anything. And because of this, in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your FTP client, or how you can schedule your server to start and keep it fresh. We're going to use FTP client so we can upload our plugins. I'm going to show you some tricks how you can upload a zip file and extract it, even though you can do it here because Pterodactyl is kinda limited and doesn't allow more than 250 files, so you won't be able to find your folder here and you can't find your zip file and you can't extract it. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. So guys, if you liked my video, you can press like and subscribe. There's tons of videos coming about Counter-Strike or other subjects. See you then.